So right now I'm there, another day, another vlog, right? We're not sure what the prefix today, but I will cook up something for you. Rain did fall a little while, but it stopped now. You don't know Florida thing. Rain now, sun then rain then sun, but it not stay for the whole day. So we're not 100% sure what's the prefix today yet. But we're there and we are built for right now. If we go make some breakfast with some tin mackerel. Not sure yet. But yeah, right now I'm there. I'm going to beard right now and comb out my beard because people, we don't get some beard coming out here. So I go all fresh. Comb out my beard. Basically that for right now. And then I figure out how the rest of the day I go. Just some beard. Try a little something. Comb out some of my beard in a reach. Try if I reach. But there. So today I'm just there and I'm bill. Fresh and clean right now. So anything can go on. You know when you clean anything can go on. If road for take on I just road right away. You know the sweats. Right now I'm out the door. A nightingale of a bird nest right there so. I'm going to look if egg in night or picnic in night, but you don't know them say if you full on bird nest, you have got broke plate and them something there. Like any glass you touch it, I got broke. Country me come from people. Portland, country. So me know be all time saying and be or them something there. If you play with bird nest, you have got broke every plate in your house. Can't say me never tell you no. If you play with bird nest, alright, but I look if bird in night. So it look like a big bird nest out there because I have to look for them, you know, because then we fly down for you. You know, I trust how the one you look for me, you know. See how them are pre me right now? But I try to see if I can go up there, but right now the two of them spot me. The two of them spot me right now. If me ever go too close to the nest, me get shell out. So Barbaro, sit up in the front and ready. You walk here right now. Oh, you walk here right now. Oh, you walk here right now. Oh. Feel like a Superman. Feel like a Superman. Feel like a Superman. A Superman. Me feel like a Superman. Superman don't need tonic. Hard cocky me give you for one panic. Drop bomb in your belly, fuck out of this world. Me come from a different planet. Make me give you some Superman stabbing. Super style, we make every get the green goblin. She said, Superman, I want to see this a youth here. Like, I want to see Lex Luthor. She love why that roller coaster. Other than a coaster. Super style, she pull her closer. Super work like engine motor. Super style, come feel like Superman. Girl, if you want me, can give it super. Superman! Superman! What are we teeth? What are we teeth? You can hardly see it, but right now we're doing a freestyle. This is the freestyle high segment. Yeah. On the lane. Tell them don't walk on the lane. On the lane. So I drive on the main. On the main. Alright, go on the lane. We done them long, we call them cane. Yeah. On the lane. We have the typical change when I call it rain. Yeah. On the lane, we have a thing we make them feel pain. On the lane, on the lane, on the lane, on the lane. Alright, on the lane. Walk on the lane, a boy drop. Me no fire gunshot, me have to defend them with shot. Why you me too frost dog? Yo, cause we frost me a talk about the lane. You remember the gun we call cane? You remember the one we fall rain? You remember the one we put pain? On the lane? Yeah. Enough boy go on the lane. When we ride my thing fall on the lane. Enough girl get caught on the lane. And we get left on the lane. Yeah. Boy run left him split on the lane. Then boy that girl do it head on the lane, on the lane. Fuck a hot girl go on the lane. She come round from Spain. Yeah. Girl. She never have too much brain. Give me a little brain. Give me a little brain, yeah. Give me a little brain. Yeah. Blue. Blue. Matic. Matic. Blue. You watch it. Blue, he might tell you this. Blue, he might tell you that. Blue, he not take shot. And any boy get. You gotta be high when you're freestyling. High. So yeah. You gotta be high. Kids don't do drugs. You gotta be high. Blue. Let me tell them why. Yo. Tell them. Smoke. You know say it. I know no joke. Me have to talk. We rich and me can't rich no more. More. Me a girl when I fly out on tour. Tour. After my show down, girl just drop. Me big up for sure. Me a girl. Sing a girl song. Cause me just get one. Bang bang. Bang bang. Chop bang bang. Girl is with no gang bang. Always right, never wrong bang. So
yeah, but really use girl if me teach some novice. As a girl, if you have to know for make a like teams on it, tell a little lie and let me strike her like matches. Famous, me just get some catches.
Yo, my band can see it. I bet you never know that lie me up because my swag short. So you know me get y'all easy. Get y'all easy. Then my new style we not dressing and not easy. Easy. Because we get y'all easy.
So easy.
Because we get y'all easy. We never drink our smell so breezy.
Brilliant.
Because we get y'all easy. Because we get y'all easy.
Vlog right now at evening / midnight time we are guys studio.
Midnight
/ Alfred right there. Oh, his name is Okeem right there, Famous right there, and Ricky out there.
Alfred.
So we are guys studio right now, so journey we do it as we do it for the vlog.
Just reaching the car. Ricky right there, over there, and Andrew right there, over there.
Hello guys, hi.
Right now we are about to go to the studio, go lay some vocals. You don't know, lime and honey. We just deal with some of the room temperature water. Hit. Just reach studio. Shabba's going upstairs right now. We wait for Supreme for forward. When you see the setup here, you now have to ask which part of it. In the studio right now.
Rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many.
Yeah, so we're just there and we have all the vibes. Everybody's soon rock and come in right now. Nice to get chill there. Rain actually a fall out the door right now. So I feel free just make a love song tonight. A little Mariah Carey. We're just there and we are doing it, so we're gonna link on them back when the hit's done and ready for now.
So right now my life on my phone, Famous in my boat for record. Booba!
I don't know what
Alright, ready to you.
Right now we're there.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Right now we're there, same way. Just lay my first. Shabba's lay feet first. Just lay and build right now. On this blurry. So right now we're there. We just voice a hit. Everybody there.
See the Prem?
So Prem.
Cool.
We're there. And yeah, right now, I watch our say.
See me.
So we just there. We're about to do road right now. We're gonna edit the vlog here so we can get this tomorrow.
I cut them girl like it, smack up. I cut them girl like it, cock up.
Yeah man, we're there. We're doing it.
Up.
So ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm there. I'm here represent for Miss Creative. Well, she didn't name Miss Creative. I just nickname her Miss Creative because yo, she is so dope, people. Check out our YouTube page. This is our YouTube page right there, so that's our YouTube page. Follow her, subscribe. Yo, she do a autumn theme cake. Pre it right now. I'm gonna put it up on the screen so they can pre it right now. People, make sure say yo on the follow her up on Instagram. Our Instagram the right there, so to follow her up on Instagram. Yo, she dope, she bad. Yo, me just want to support her because yo, she do a positive thing and she have fun, and me know uno would like something like this. So yo, our link I got there in the bio to our page. Yo, she do a weed cake. She designed a weed cake for 420. Remember, say 420 soon forward, you know. So all of the weed lovers, them, the weed smokers, them, yo, the cake out with a dope, man. I like, yo, me gonna show you. Pre is a weed cake. She make it from scratch, everything. Pre.
Without on here, the plastic wrap.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are
Yo, she dope, man. I like, she dope, she bad, and I can't stress it no more. She bad. Follow her, subscribe. So people, as you see, it was just a nice little chill vlog, you know what I mean? We not do too much in the vlog, yeah. Studio, house, basically. Try keep the vlog real. We not fake nothing. Everything we wanna see is what we actually do, and we not get up and we not really plan nothing. We just a live. I wanna say how we a live. When it's time for do things, we not gonna see we do things, because we not gonna there with it every single there. We appreciate the love though because we see it and we are doing it fun. If you don't like the video, just drop a like on the video, you know what I mean? Drop a comment in the comment section. Subscribe. Until next time, me I go soon. Me I go start the next vlog right away. As this cut I'ma upload the one here. People, work we are.